here is Chilean Guava flowers. Ugnai Molyneux. Doesn't it look beautiful? They're one of the sweetest berries. So I'm looking forward for those fruits to come this year. And just a quick tip, Chilean Guava does not like Chilean winds, so make sure you protect it through the autumn and winter months if you live in a potential frosty area or a lot of winds coming through, because this one was absolutely prolific. I cut it back where the branches were damaged and it's recovering. As you can see, new growth is coming again, so that will fill out. But real big tip, make sure you keep your Chilean Guava in a wind protected area and in a warmer place if possible. Thankfully I have a second. Always good, some of your favourite plants to have too, just in case.